Hey there, gearheads and curious minds. Welcome to another deep dive into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into the world of super stiff car chassis manufacturing, the unsung hero behind some of the most exhilarating rides on the planet. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the art of engineering, this is for you. You see, a car's chassis is like its backbone, providing the strength and rigidity it needs to handle like a dream and keep you safe. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built, ensuring that the vehicle performs at its peak, no matter the conditions. Now, we're not talking about your average family sedan here. While those are designed for comfort and practicality, our focus today is on something far more thrilling. We're talking about high-performance machines, race cars that tear up the track, and luxury vehicles that glide over bumps like they're not even there. These vehicles are engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience, and the chassis plays a crucial role in that. These bad boys need a chassis that's as tough as nails, and that's where super stiff construction comes in. It's not just about making the car look good, it's about ensuring that it performs flawlessly under extreme conditions. Think of it like this: a flimsy chassis is like a wet noodle. Twist it one way and it'll flop around like a fish out of water. This lack of rigidity can lead to poor handling and even safety issues. But a super stiff chassis, that's like a steel beam, rock solid, unwavering, and ready to take on any curve or corner you throw its way. This rigidity translates to better handling, improved safety, and a more enjoyable driving experience. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the fascinating process of building these automotive marvels. From the initial design to the final assembly, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and precision engineering. We'll go behind the scenes, meet the hardworking men and women who make it all happen, and discover the cutting-edge technology that goes into every weld and bend. These are the unsung heroes who ensure that every car that rolls off the assembly line is ready to deliver an exceptional performance. Let's do this! Our journey starts in a place that's part factory, part laboratory, and all awesome: the Modern Auto Manufacturing Facility. This is where the magic happens, where raw materials are transformed into the vehicles that drive our world. It's a place of innovation, precision, and relentless pursuit of perfection. Imagine a massive building, buzzing with activity 24/7, where robots work alongside skilled technicians, and sparks fly as metal meets its maker. It's a hive of activity, with every corner of the facility contributing to the creation of a car. The synergy between man and machine is palpable, creating an environment where efficiency and creativity thrive. We're talking towering cranes moving giant rolls of steel, each one destined to become part of a vehicle's frame. These cranes are the muscle of the operation, lifting and transporting materials with ease and precision. Automated guided vehicles, zipping around like worker bees, ensuring that every part and piece is in the right place at the right time. These AGVs are the unsung heroes, tirelessly moving components across the factory floor, ensuring a seamless flow of materials. And assembly lines stretching as far as the eye can see, a testament to the scale and complexity of modern car manufacturing. Each station on the line is a world unto itself, where specific tasks are performed with meticulous care. It's a symphony of precision, a ballet of brawn and brains, all working in perfect harmony to create automotive masterpieces. The synchronized movements of robotic arms, the precise welding, and the collaboration between humans and machines are a sight to behold. But it's not just about the size and scale of these places. It's the technology that'll blow your mind. Cutting-edge machinery and innovative processes are at the heart of these facilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. We're talking laser cutters that slice through metal like butter, with a level of precision that's almost surgical. These lasers are capable of making intricate cuts that would be impossible with traditional tools. Robotic welders that fuse parts with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that every joint is strong and secure. These robots are the backbone of the assembly process, performing tasks that require both strength and finesse. And computer-controlled ovens that bake the chassis to perfection, ensuring that each car is as durable as it is beautiful. These ovens are the final step in the manufacturing process, where the car's frame is hardened and prepared for the road ahead. And let's not forget the human element. The heart and soul of the manufacturing process are the people who bring their expertise and passion to the table. From engineers designing the next generation of vehicles to technicians ensuring every machine runs smoothly, their contributions are invaluable. Behind every machine and every process are skilled engineers, technicians, and operators who bring their expertise and passion to the table. They're the ones who fine-tune the robots, monitor the quality, and ensure that every chassis that rolls off the line is built to the highest standards. Their dedication and attention to detail are what make these facilities truly exceptional. They're the ones who fine-tune the robots, monitor the quality, and ensure that every chassis that rolls off the line is built to the highest standards. It's their commitment to excellence that ensures every car leaving the factory is ready to hit the road with confidence and reliability. This is where cars are born, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. All right, folks, time for a little comparison. Imagine two cars going head-to-head on a winding road. One has a standard chassis, the other, our super stiff Marvel. See that? The standard chassis is twisting and flexing under pressure. That's body roll, and it's not your friend. It affects handling, makes the car feel unstable, and reduces tire contact with the road. Not exactly a recipe for a thrilling ride. Now, look at the super stiff chassis. It's like a rock, barely budging as the car carves through the corner. That means better handling, increased stability, and improved tire grip. You're in control, the car feels planted, and you can push it harder with confidence. That, my friends, is the power of a super stiff chassis. It's the difference between a good ride and an unforgettable one, between feeling every bump in the road and gliding over them like a dream. So how do they make these chassis so darn stiff? It's a fascinating process that combines science, engineering, and a bit of art. It all starts with the right ingredients, and in this case, we're talking about some seriously high-tech materials. These materials are the foundation of a strong and durable chassis. Forget your grandpa's old steel frame. These days, it's all about advanced alloys and lightweight materials that pack a serious punch. Think high-strength steel, aluminum alloys, and other cutting-edge materials that have revolutionized the automotive industry. And even carbon fiber in some cases. Carbon fiber is particularly interesting because it's incredibly strong yet very light, making it ideal for high-performance vehicles. These materials are carefully selected for their strength-to-weight ratio, meaning they're incredibly strong without adding unnecessary bulk. This balance is crucial for creating a chassis that can withstand the stresses of driving while keeping the vehicle light and agile. That's crucial for performance, as a lighter car accelerates faster, handles better, and stops more quickly. The benefits of a lightweight chassis extend beyond just speed and agility. They also contribute to better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. But it's not just about the individual materials, it's how they're combined. The art of creating a stiff chassis lies in the precise combination and placement of these materials. Engineers use sophisticated computer simulations to determine the optimal placement of each material, ensuring that the chassis is both strong and lightweight. These simulations allow engineers to test different configurations and find the best possible design before any physical prototypes are built. Creating a structure that's both strong and lightweight is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of material properties and how they interact under different conditions. Automated machinery plays a crucial role in assembling these complex structures with precision and consistency. They're like culinary wizards, mixing and matching different ingredients to create the perfect recipe for stiffness and performance. And trust me, the process is as meticulous as it is innovative. These guys take their job seriously. They're obsessed with finding the perfect blend of materials to create the ultimate driving machine. Their dedication and attention to detail ensure that every chassis meets the highest standards of quality and performance. They're constantly analyzing and testing materials, pushing the boundaries of what's possible to achieve the best results. Whether it's on the factory floor or the test track, their commitment to excellence is unwavering. This relentless pursuit of perfection is what drives innovation in the automotive industry and leads to the creation of vehicles that are not only high-performing, but also safe and reliable.